Hi, I'm Sherry, and this is Missy, and welcome to the Always Have It. And today is Bark Box Day, so yeah, she's a little overexcited. I've had to calm her down several times already. All right, let's see what we got. I'm trying to open it, baby. Hey, get your head out of there. All right, here's the first toy. Stop it. I want to see it first. It's a snake. Oh, look. And he stretches. Okay. Bark versus Toxic Critters. It's like a little comic book. And as usual, you can punch this out and put your dog's face in there and post it on Instagram. So it's like a comic book, superhero comic book, I guess, or something. Pretty cute. All right. Let's see what kind of treats we got today. Chomp. We got chomp treats. They are pork dog treats. Come get a treat, miss. Come get a treat. Right here. Come on. All right, sit. All right. Oh, it's like jerky. Nice. It's like a jerky like that. No, you don't get another one right now. Not right now. Okay, and they are made in the USA. Healthy ingredients. All natural recipes with no wheat, corn, soy, ever. Yay for that. All right. Next, we have some plaque busters. Chewing promotes healthy oral hygiene. There's 2 of them in here, and they are some sort. They have colored wrapping paper over the whole thing, so you can't even see what the product looks like. But it reminds me a bit of those. Sorry, I got a sticky hair up here. It reminds me of those duck and salmon long sticks that she loved so much. But these, oh yeah, these are much harder. In fact, these are not even bendable. So I'll have to look and see what they're made of. Oyster shells finely ground. Sweet potato. Dried citrus pulp. Coconut oil. Well, at least it doesn't have chemicals in it. Alright, next toy. Let me talk about it for a minute. Get up here. Get up here and let me talk about it for a minute. Come on. Give me a minute. Alright, this is, it almost looks like a ninja mutant turtle. Just give me a minute. His name is the Shellbacker. Ouch! He's a villain. And his special power is disc flight. Let me get. So there he is. Does he squeak? Oh, he has a squeaky ball in the middle. God, before we even started, I don't know if you can see it, but she scratched me from about here, clear down, just trying to get me to open the box. It hurt. All right, next snack, Amazo Quacks. Mighty Mutt's Amazo Quacks. Single source duck dog treats. They are freeze-dried, or whatever you call that, because we've had some like this before. They are made with only one ingredient, real all-natural duck, freeze-dried to preserve their essential nutrients. Pack a protein punch to power your pup. Okay. But she's had freeze-dried meats before. Not the biggest fan of them. Can you come up here so people can see? It's a little square, a little freeze-dried square. That one's little, so you can have another one. They feel like styrofoam the flower styrofoam that you arrange flowers with. That's what they feel like. She didn't even swallow it. Alright, so, and let's of course look at our paper. Okay, so on one side we got doggy superheroes clashing with the villains. Crash, pow. And those of us who are old enough to remember the original Batman will remember that when Batman and the villain were fighting, you always saw crash, pow on the screen. And then on the back is the lineup for the villains. Guess it's the villains. This is the one she got, Sinister. So there's a squirrel, looks like a fox, some sort of bug, some more cats. That one looks like a parrot. I don't know what the hell that is. Maybe a mouse, a dragon. Anyhow, those are all the ones she got. Is oh, where'd he go? Oh, Mr. Sinister Henchman. That's funny. Good stuff. Alright, let me see if they have a cartoon on the inside. I can't really show it to you. It's two dogs at a party. Oh yeah, I've seen this one before. The one dog says to the other dog at the party, "I'm bad with names and faces, but I never forget a butthole." Oh God, they are hysterical. Well, I'm glad these came today. My boxy came today also. Because tomorrow is recycle day. So that way I can get all this stuff taken care of. Can you come up here and say goodbye to your adoring fans? Can you come up here? Missy, come on. Come. Missy, come. Come. Come on. Come up and say hello. Missy, come on. Come up and say goodbye to the video. Come on. She's off to play with her toys. Okay, take care. Be well. And always, woof, 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 be yourself. Bye.